What are Zendesk Groups? Hi there, customer experience community. This is Dominic. Welcome to another video. Hope everyone is having a good week. Mine is super busy, so hope yours is smoother than mine. Contrary to belief, I have not been abducted by Dell and subversively trying to make you aware of their brand, but this is just where I'm filming right now. This is where I am located. This week we're going to talk about what are Zendesk Groups. Zendesk Groups, I believe I made a video about this, I'm not sure, there's probably one on the channel, but there is an update to it. Now, groups in Zendesk are departments. You have to get used to Zendesk terminology, what is groups in Zendesk and what is to everyone else, it's a department, right? It's how your teams are being put together. Now, departments in your team may vary depending on your niche, depending on your functions, depending on how you have everything structured. So you may have a first level, a second level, and an escalations level. You may have a billing department, you may have a finance department, you may have a technical department, you may have a support department. I don't know exactly how this fits your use case, but you can get creative with this depending on how you stand. Now, Zendesk Groups refers to only internal teams. So this is how you group your team together to work. I'm not going to show you how to build the group per se. I'm just going to talk about how you need to think about this, how you need to think about this when you configure, how you need to think about this if you're the business owner. It is important in Zendesk to keep in mind that the granular the groups are, depending on the functions, the less views you can have. And views in Zendesk, I'm going to make another video about it, is a way for you to group your tickets. It's important to know right now that if you go granular, that's fine. You know, you don't have to go, I don't know, you have 100 use cases in your Zendesk and then you have a group for each one. No, that's not the way to go. I would encourage you to go granular in the sense that, okay, if I have supports, I have some main groups that I can create within this main group, if you will. So I have a folder and then I have some subfolders. So if you can go granular on this, it will only be beneficial if you have a large team. If you have a small team, then this doesn't apply. Groups for smaller companies are a little bit simpler in the sense that you can create one for the different functions within your company, and you don't have to be very granular about it. So you just create support level 1, support level 2, management, and then, I don't know, if you also have a billing or finance group or a development group, you can also create those. Depends on your niche, of course. We interrupt this program to give you a word from our sponsor, which is Roka.work. If you want to borrow somebody else's 10,000 hours of using Zendesk and having done over 300 projects from a Zendesk Premier partner, then hop on to this link, roka.work/offers. Any service that you need with Zendesk, how that would look like for you as a ballpark from an expert, somebody that's been doing this for decades. Once you hop on the website, on the offer page, we'll ask you how many agents you have and what kind of service you need, and we'll give you a ballpark and what that looks like. If that interests you, then we'll ask for more information and you'll be able to get an official offer from me. And yeah, we can take the discussion from there. Now, with any of our implementations, because we have so much experience, you'll be able to leverage all Zendesk functionality. You'll be able to look at the right reports. You'll be able to make sure that you're using Zendesk to its maximum capacity, get management off your back. You'll be able to have a productive team and you'll be able to have fast responses. You'll be able to get back to your customers faster, which increases your customer satisfaction, and you make sure that Zendesk doesn't crash when you change something. So yeah, I'll see you on the other side and roka.work/offers, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Bye. Now, security-wise, Zendesk does offer your agents the limitation to only see tickets within their groups. So if they are a member of a group and you limit them to only see tickets within that group, then that's all they will see and will not be able to necessarily escalate to other groups. So you need to be aware of that, and you need to have somebody who's a team leader, who's a part of multiple groups, they can assign to different groups in Zendesk, so different departments in Zendesk. Now, there is a layer on top, and that's new functionality. So the new functionality with groups is you now have private groups. And with private groups, as the name suggests, they are hyper private, and this is to cater to security measures. So these private groups are able to talk only amongst themselves and to share tickets amongst themselves in order to keep your privacy in check, in order to, discuss escalated cases, in order to discuss internal matters. If you're, for example, offering support to businesses that are reselling your products or reselling your services, then this is very important for you. So yeah, that's how you structure groups in Zendesk. Now, I hope this brought you value. I noticed that about 9 to 10% of you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. So guys, if you like the content, please consider subscribing. And if we can get to 11%, that would be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.